In this video, I'll show you how to send someone money through the MoneyGram app. First, open the MoneyGram app on your device. If you already have an account, tap Login and enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, tap Sign Up and create one. It only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen. From the home screen, under the Recent Activity section, tap the Send Money option. A pop-up will appear at the bottom of the screen with two options, Send Money and Pay a Bill. Make sure to select Send Money. Next, choose the currencies you're sending from and to. By default, the sending currency is United States dollar, USD, and the receiving currency will automatically be displayed based on the country you select. For example, if you're sending money to Mexico, the receiving currency will show as Mexican peso, MXN. You can also change the receiving currency by selecting a different country, such as Ukraine, and the app will show the current conversion rate, like $100 equals 256 Ukrainian hryvnia. After selecting the currencies, enter the amount you want to send. For instance, type in $50, and the app will automatically calculate the equivalent amount in the receiving currency. Next, tap on Select a Payment Method. You'll see options like debit card, credit card, or cash at a MoneyGram location. Choose the method that's most convenient for you, such as using your debit or credit card. Once you've chosen the payment method,
select how the recipient will receive the money. This could be cash at a location or a bank deposit. For bank deposits, you may need to specify the receiving bank, like a private bank or all banks, depending on the country. If you have a promo code, don't forget to enter it in the field provided. After all the details are filled in, tap the Confirm button at the bottom of the screen. Once completed, and if your account is topped up, the app will process your transaction and provide you with a reference number. Make sure to share this reference or a transferable city, which is also transferable to the reference. And that's how you send someone money through the MoneyGram app.